up, vlog? Welcome back to the channel. For today's video, your boy is about to get blessed by this guy. This guy was like, yo, bro, don't get a radio yet. I want to buy you a radio. So my dog's buying me a radio, bro. It's crazy, man. Finally, this video, hopefully this video, if I can go find a mounting plate, we shall have a brand new Pioneer radio in this badge on. I still need some tint in this beast. Anybody that's local to me in the 772 area code, you do tint, holla at your bendo. Yeah, what y'all think he is? Puerto Rican or Dominican?
Still your life, boy.
Or a bitch. Look at that thing, dude. Look at this thing, bro.
Bruh. Look at this dude. Wait till you see them.
Alright, so we just made it to the guy's place, but I think he is selling it to a guy already. Hopefully, in the next clip, I'll have a radio. Let's find out. Why, bam, boy! Check your boy out, son. $125. Thanks to my man, Demetrius. Got me a brand new radio. This thing was only used for a month, and the guy wrecked the car, and they parted it out. And it's actually fairly new, too, because look at the date on this thing. September 2018. So it's only a couple months old. And this is the model number, or part number, I guess. And I can't wait, son. Your boy about to have some wham bam in this thing. Only thing I need left now is some subs. Well, I gotta get the bracket for this thing so I can mount it actually in there. And I just need some subs and an amp. And your boy gonna have music booming. Look at this thing, dude. Oh my God. This is a big ass rollerblade just with a motor in it. That is ridiculous. Look at that thing. Look at it, dude.
What's the difference?
So I came home to order the double ding dash kit or whatever from Amazon, but I looked on Best Buy and they have one in stock. So this video going in today, so hopefully today is Sunday, so hopefully this video goes up Sunday. It's 6 o'clock, so hopefully we have enough time. Well, we should be able to install, edit, and upload this video. Alright, so I got the wire harness and I got the dash kit. Now we're ready to install this thing. Oh, Bertha. It's about 7 o'clock, so it's dark outside. But, you know what I'm saying? Got my nice little Power Smith lights, playboy. Now we can, start disassembling this John and then putting the bad boy in.
A few moments later.
So I just watched a YouTube video on a removal of the radio and like the tray. Well, all of this is one unit, and I gotta remove this, this, and this. So with that being said, if you want to do this, link down below to that video. I'm just gonna get to it so I can get to the install part of the radio. I would film this stuff, but it's late and I want to get a video up for you guys on this marvelous Sunday night. But I'm pretty sure I won't have this video out until Monday, but we'll see what I can do. Dog, you gotta do so much stuff, bro, just to remove this thing. Correct? I legit thought I could just pry this off and this whole thing would just come out. I could just wire it up, put the thing in there, keep all this stuff situated. But nah, son, you gotta go through a lot. So I got the radio out and everything, and I'm glad I could reuse this hardware when I'm mounting that kit with the radio. But dog, yo, whoever this is, bro, appreciate you, because man, this is some foolishness. Next day, heading to Rainey's house because I can't do this myself because I don't know what the hell I'm doing. I never installed the double din radio before. Single dins are easy because all I do is just slap them in. But this one, not so easy, bro. So I'm going to Rainey's house and yeah.
Look at the top of his head.
At Ranlow's cribbo.
Can you got one more screw?
Oh, hey, bro, that's why I'm paying you $4 grand for my install, bro. Cause I
wish you pay me.
What you mean?
I don't feel. I wish you pay me a damn.
Don't say that, bro, cause I'm rich. Bro, I pay every time Randy do something on my car. I pay him like $200, maybe $300, depending on what the way we gotta get done.
That car been done by now. Then.
What are you talking about, bro? Bro, I put at least $3 grand in your paint job. At least the minimum, maybe $2,900. The minimum.
Yeah, the Taker is more like mine. What you mean? The minimum.
Let's see if this shit work, bro.
You should buy a switch.
What switch?
So we can put this on a switch. That way you can what it does is bypass the safety thing. You know how some cars that tell you, oh, put your e-brake up or you gotta stop. They're gonna do that sometimes. It's gonna do that because it got that safety thing.
Okay. Oh, I forgot to put the super glue on the our tray. That suck, bro. Look at that boy Randy, bro. Wiring specialist, boy. Ran wire, bro. Y'all want ran wire specialty wire sub harness for your radio? Hit up Rand Wire. Boy, clean. Let's see if we got some power, B. Are we Gucci? We is. Bro, your wiring job is ass, B. Alright, take 2. Well, we just had to wire a constant 12 volt, but we got power, baby. Got some power, baby. Ooh, daddy, we got red, daddy. Can we do green, bro?
Whatever color you want, pimpin'.
Whatever color I want. Alright. Let me get $2,000. That's my favorite color, bro. You got me?
Alright, dog. Anything you want, pimpin'.
Thanks, daddy. Set me up, B, before I get mad and slap the shit out you. Randy's iPhone connected. Hey, play some popcorn. Mama cut, mama clean. Clocks. Steel. Billie Jean, what the hell you listening to, bro?
That ain't me, bro. You know I don't listen to that shit.
I turn that shit up, bro. Time has obviously passed, but me and Randy had to go help out one of his family members load a bed and like move it and stuff. So now we back at the crib. We went to Walmart to get the cable wire and stuff. What's up, Pops? You like my new car? Come on, Pops, I know you like my car. It's nice, right?
Where you buy this?
Orlando.
When?
2-3 days ago.
Where you buy auction?
Nah, I bought it off a guy.
How much?
$2,000.
That's too much.
He wanted 25. I wish I would have bought it for 15, but yeah.
$1,000.
$1,000?
You agree?
It got almost 200,000 miles on it.
Yeah, $1,000. You know from.
It's nice though.
You agree?
Come on, it's nice, Pop.
What I do?
Radio. Doubled in.
I make music.
Yeah, got to. It's gonna be a daily driver. Make it look. I'm gonna lower it on some nice wheels, paint it, and make it look good. That boy Travis got a new daily driver. Boy got a neon. I know it's in that circle. T4.
Probably like 315.
Stock, bro. Stock, bro. Gap and Renardo, dog. Boy, Gap Renardo ass.
Oh, I got videos, but that man talks so much shit.
Renardo got Gap, boy.
I didn't say he got Gap now.
Damn, Renardo, you got Gap, B. Woo, that boy icy, son.
Ice, ice, ice.
Yeah. We can wire that right there, daddy.
You got a 10?
Yeah, I got a 10, mama. Hold on. Let me find it. Here you go, mama. Boom.
No. A 10 socket.
Oh, you need a 10 socket?
Yeah, I need a
I ain't
10
got that, mama.
Damn.
My bad, daddy.
You never got nothing, bro.
Super facts.
So, you try to fuck even edit the dog is good. You need to bring it on.
Home and everything is ready to go. I just gotta vacuum it out, but for the most part, boy, we all good to go, dog. So nice, dude. That thing is so nice, boy. Shout out to my dog, Rain Leezy, boy. That's my dog. That, ladies and gentlemen, is gonna wrap it up for episode 1 of Bertha, the big body BRV build off. Bam. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. And also, if you're doing a double din install on your CRV, you can use your factory head unit bracket, like the OEM metal bracket. You don't have to use the bracket that comes with those kits because, well, I don't know, you just don't have to. So all you need is the face plate, like the plate where the radio sits into, and that's it. You don't need the side brackets or anything like that. And yeah, man, so just a helpful tip in case you guys do this too. But yo, this Pioneer slaps on these stock speakers, B. Hopefully the next mod we do to the BRV would be coilovers. So with all that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please thumbs up. If you didn't, dislike it. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe. We're at 196,000 subscribers, 4,000 more away from 200K. Let's get it. You know what I'm saying? And I'll see you guys in the next one. I'm out. Peace.